Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can set a timer on Spotify. Basically, what is a timer? Timer on Spotify is basically a specific timer that you're going to put where the music is going to stop playing after a certain amount of time. Mostly people use this before they sleep. Some people just turn on music before they sleep, and they want the music to turn off once they sleep. So there is a really good feature that Spotify gives you that is called Sleep Timer. So I'm going to show you how you can enable it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Spotify, and by the way, it is completely free. Second of all, you need to start playing whatever song or whatever playlist you want to listen to while you're sleeping. So I'm going to go into my library, and I'm going to pick this playlist, for example, and I'm going to start hitting shuffle. Once I hit shuffle, there is the song, of course, that's going to pop up. Once it pops up, I'm going to click on it and click on the three dots on the top right corner. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find something called Sleeper Timer. Once you have Sleeper Timer, you're going to have to set it to a specific amount of time that Spotify gives you. Based, for example, end of the track, 1 hour or something, and then after that, the music is going to completely stop. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.